Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting here on the deck of this gorgeous little cabin in the middle of the jungle in Bocas del Toro. I almost said Florida, haha. Bocas del Toro, Isla Colón, Panama. Drinking some delicious Panamanian coffee and enjoying the sounds of all these tropical birds, parrots and toucans and other ones I can't identify. And I'm just going to let this roll so you can hopefully hear them and enjoy them as much as I am. Well, probably not, but you get the idea. Well, obviously that wasn't a bird. That was Catherine's SUV. Catherine's my AirBnB host. While my second cup of coffee is cooling, because that coffee maker makes it pretty hot, I'm going to pick up the phone now and show you up closer some of these colorful, beautiful plants. If any of you know what these are, let me know in the comments.